Hi and welcome to our Smart Pen tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through everything you need to know to get started. Let's begin. To activate the Smart Pen, please attach it to the tablet when using it for the first time and make sure the tablet is powered on. When the white indicator is flashing rapidly, it indicates that Smart Pen is in low battery state and needs to be charged. To charge and store the Smart Pen, you can magnetically attach it to the right side of the tablet and make sure the nib facing downwards for charging. When being attached, the Smart Pen will be charged automatically. 1 minute of charge will provide 2 hours of use. It will enter the power saving mode with 1 minute of inactivity. To exit the power saving mode and resume use, simply lift the stylus or press any button. You may find a replacement in the box and keep it in a safe place. To replace the nib, first, grip the nib of the Smart Pen, rotate counterclockwise to remove it, and second, push the new nib into the Smart Pen, rotate clockwise to secure it.